Hello friends, my name is Sandeep and you're watching YouTube channel PC Guide for You. In this video I will show you that how you can use your laptop while the lid is closed if you have connected any external monitor screen on your computer laptop. I have an article on this here which stated suppose if you have a lid closed and if you connected any external monitor or screen and you want to play movies or games or something, you can just directly on the second monitor and your laptop lid should be closed. How you can do that? So let's start here. I'll show you. Press Windows and letter R from your keyboard and you will see a run command dialog box there. Type there control. Once you type the control, you just click enter or you can click OK. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now. Now you will see all the categories. Go here, select small icons. Now you need to look for power options. Now in the left hand pane you need to select the option choose what closing the lid does. Click on it. Now here you have all the options. You can see here you have the options for the power button, sleep button, and the third option is for when I close the lid. So by default it is on the sleep, so I'll just select and will do nothing. I'll use the drop down and do nothing, and then when you done everything just click on save button and the settings have been saved. Now you can close everything and you can just go ahead and just connect your any external monitor or screen and you can use your laptop while lid is closed on the second screen. So this is how you can do that. Please give me a share and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.